Sovereignty in relation to territory is called territorial sovereignty. Sovereignty in regard to a portion of the globe is the right to exercise therein, to the exclusion of any other state, the functions of a state. Territorial sovereignty is, in general, a situation recognized and delimited in space, either by so-called natural frontiers as recognized by international law or by outward signs of delimitation that are undisputed, or else by legal engagements entered into between interested neighbors, such as frontier conventions, or by acts of recognition of states within fixed boundaries.